Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log into Suntrust Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Suntrust online login. Now we can see there is no Suntrust Bank available over here. This is because Suntrust Bank is now converted to Truist as it is merged now. Simply click on this website over here. Now enter your user ID, and if you want your user ID to saved even after you get back, simply click on Save User ID. Now enter the password and click on Sign In. You can also sign in with QR code which will be available in the banking app you have got in your mobile. So this is all we can do to log in to Truist or Suntrust Bank app. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.